And yes, I'll show you how to open any app from your iPhone lock screen. I'm going to my iPhone settings about section, and as you can see, currently I'm using iOS 18 version. So to open any app from your iPhone lock screen, you have to update your iOS version to 18 or newer version. Now let's open our iPhone lock screen, and all you have to need, long press on an empty space and tap on customize, select lock screen, and here we can see currently I have the camera button and my flashlight button in my lock screen. Let's remove this camera button and let's add here another app. So tapping on this plus icon, and in the search controls type here open app, and under shortcuts here you will find this open app shortcut. Make sure you have installed the shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have shortcut apps, then here you won't see this open app option. Select open app, and now here tap on choose next to app, and now from your app list go ahead and select the app that you want to add in your lock screen. Let's add the Facebook app here. Done. And that's it. Here we can see I've successfully added the Facebook app in my lock screen. Now by tapping on this Facebook app, I can easily access my Facebook from my iPhone lock screen. So that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.